Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet the beautiful cover for mason jar. For this tutorial I use this type of jar, as you can see, and I use cotton yarn and a needle. The size of the needle is 30mm. For the first round I'm going to make magic ring, so I put the yarn between my finger like this, and then put the hook under this part and above this part and yarn over, then again yarn over and make just one chain. And now I have a magic ring. Then I'm going to make 2 chains again, and then into this magic ring I'm going to make double crochet like this. Again into this magic ring make double crochet. Now we need 16 of this double crochet here into this magic ring. Now I have 3 of this shape and we need 16 of these here. Now I have 16 of this magic ring. Then I put the hook here in the 3rd chain, and then yarn over and make a slip stitch like this. Then make 3 chains, and here under this part make double crochet. Then again in the next stitch here we need double crochet, but we need 2 double crochet together. So again here in the same hole make 2 double crochet together. Again in the next stitch we need 2 double crochet together, so this is 1, and again in the same place this is 2. So in each stitch we need 2 double crochet together until again we arrive here. When you finish this round, again make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain, exactly here, and then again make 3 chains, and here in the next stitch, exactly here, make 2 double crochet together, and then in the next stitch here make just 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch make 2 double crochet together. So as you can see we need 1 double crochet, single double crochet, and 2 double crochet together, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet together until again we arrive here. Now I finish this round, and again I put the hook in the 3rd chains here and make just 1 slip stitch like this. And then if I put here, this here, as you can see, if I put this here, you can see this is good size for the end of this jar, so this is good. Then for the next step I make chains. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, and then we count 4 of this stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here in 4 stitch put your hook and make 2 double crochet. This is 1, and then this is 2 double crochet here. Then we need 3 chains, and again we count 4 of this stitch. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4 exactly here. Again, make 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and then this is 2. Again, we need 3 chains, and like before, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the fourth stitch, we need 2 double crochet together. So you must continue this shape until again you arrive here. When you arrive in the end of this round, you must make 3 chains again, and then put your hook here under this part and make just 1 double crochet. This is the best way. And then put the hook in the third chain exactly here and make just 1 slip stitch. Now we have complete this round. So if I put here, you can see this isn't a good way. Okay, now for the next round, I make a slip stitch until I arrive in this space like this, and then make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Then put the hook into this space and make just 1 double crochet here, then make 2 chains, and again here into this space we need 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and this is 2. So as you can see, we have this shape. Again, put your hook in the next space and make 2 double crochet here, then make 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2. So as you can see, in each space we need 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet together. So complete this shape until again you arrive here. If I put this here, you can see we must continue this round until we arrive here under this part of this jar. Then we must change the model of the stitch. So continue this stitch until you arrive here. Okay, now I finished this part, and if I put it here, you can see the size of this cover of bottle is good. Now I want to put this, I prefer this color of ribbon, and then I put in this part in the big space, and then use my finger and do like this part. As you can see, like this, you must continue and put this ribbon into this big hole until you finish this round. Okay, now I put this ribbon here and I make slip knot and papillon here. So it is finished, but you can design this with a flower crochet, leaf crochet, star crochet, heart crochet, or everything you think it's good for design of this. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like my video. And don't forget, you can use this for different things. For example, you can put a pencil here, you can put cosmetic things here, you can put a warmer here, so, or just for design, or put flower here. So this is so easy and very useful, and when you make it, you can help environment to be healthy. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, put your question in question part. Thank you.